Ketchup, 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 ketchup. Mayonnaise, 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 mayonnaise. Hey guys, this is Sarah and welcome to Street Food Around You. So let's go. So this is a baby sport. There's even princess carriages and horses. Some trucks and cars, scooters. It looks fun. So that is a church. Oh, that is a park. So now we are in BBQ chicken. The location we'll put it in description down below. So let's go. So that is the menu. So we ordered the large family menu. It has 4 fries, chicken wings and chicken pieces, sauces, a large 1.5 liters of cold drink, and this costed 23 euros. So let's dig in. Okay. So I'm gonna have this. This is a chicken piece, leg piece, chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece. Oh. It's good. It's really crunchy and hot, and it's like freshly fried. Yes. So I'm trying this one. It's really crunchy and the chicken yummy. So yummy. So I'm gonna have some fries. So this looks like a French fries, not the Belgian fries. tastes like fries. Chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece. Ketchup, 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 ketchup. Mayonnaise, 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 mayonnaise. So crunchy, yummy, and that it's so nicely freshly cooked. It's even more tastier. Let's have some refreshment. This is Fanta. Some fries now. With some mayo.
The meal was very good. Chicken was so yummy, and it's quite appreciated that how BBQ chicken are maintaining their hygiene factor. We recommend this restaurant very much. They have a sitting arrangement inside and outside. It's up to you where to sit, but overall it's very impressive. Uh, then what next? Let's go for some desserts. It's closing time. In front of us, they are closing it. They're closing it. Look what we have.
That looks like a strawberry raspberry cake.
Yes.
And
This
a pie.
kind of a pie. This is another version of pie. Some almond is there.
Nuts and.
Okay. Let Sana test it.
So I'm gonna have this one.
Take-
Maybe this one. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. Yeah. Mmm. 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 The top layer is the sweetest layer of these three layers. This seems like and the inside is soft and even crunchy with the nuts and stuff. I really like it. This seems like it's coated with sugar, like coated. Okay. Next one. Okay, I'm gonna take this pie. It is difficult to handle. Have a seat. This is and blueberry and strawberry. Wow, I really like the top. Okay, 3, 2, 1. that looks like sugar syrup, and there's like frosting. There's a ton of frosting. Yummy. And okay, on to the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna have this one.
This is a kind of a pie.
Okay, it's really hard. Oh my god, it stick to the plate.
Okay, bite it like that.
Okay. So good. It's a layered biscuit. I don't know what to say. The inside is like there's an Indian sweet known as kheer, I think. I don't know. That also the filling looks like that one. I don't know. So but it's so good. It's the outside is really crunchy and the inside is soft.
So overall, very satisfied. Very satisfied. Yeah, I will put all those shop details into description box. That's it for today. See you soon.
So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button and share the video too. So goodbye.